If we've learned anything from the last year and a half, it's that one, we are all connected, and wellness for an individual means wellness for the community and for the country and for the planet. And number two, there are huge inequities in the access to healthcare and especially preventative wellness here in our community as well as our country. This past year, we've had programs that have helped people in areas such as mental health and chronic pain, but we have a much bigger vision that includes not just physical wellness and mental wellness, but also spiritual wellness, financial, purpose, relational, environmental, and nutritional. And we can't do it alone as a small organization. So we are asking for support of community members who are passionate about wellness for all. And we've created this grassroots campaign to ask you to collaborate with us. I hope that you can donate whatever you can and also help spread the word to anyone else you know who is passionate about a happier, healthier, and more equal Madison.
From research we've done, we know that there are many communities that are marginalized and underserved and are not having access to the same type of preventive services that people who are in a higher socioeconomic bracket have access to. And we want to do something to support all of our community members to have access to preventive care. So we've gone into community centers and started working on building programs that meet the needs of the people in the communities. This COVID time, we were able to provide, and I was part of this one, fall prevention services at no cost to the clients and keep several people who are at very high risk of falling and, really hurting themselves in their senior years, moving well, and they're out and about and didn't have any falls through the winter. We also were providing, through another community center, massage therapy for many people who were so stressed and experiencing a lot of pain and needed that kind of support. We also had a grant for psychotherapy programming for teens who clearly were under a lot of stress this past year.
What the pandemic has really shown a spotlight on is that we have a lot of work to do to take care of ourselves and our community, whether that be making sure we all have access to physical activity, massage, acupuncture, whatever it is that keeps each of us well and thriving. We need everybody in our community, each and every one of us, to be as healthy and well as possible. I need your help today to make that a reality.
As a holistic provider, I know that many times we don't need to rush to a doctor. We can take responsibility for these things ourselves, and it's the little things that can make the huge difference. I so believe in this mission of bringing this to everyone in our community so that everyone gets a fair chance at being healthy and no one gets left out. Thank you so much for listening.